What if the object blazing across our skies isn't a comet at all, but something far more advanced? For decades, astronomers have wondered what a technological visitor from another star system might look like. It wouldn't just drift aimlessly through space reflecting sunlight. It would maneuver. It would deploy probes. It might radiate its own energy, or even shine with an artificial glow. Those questions stopped being hypothetical the moment a strange green body, 3I, Atlas, entered our solar system, joining the short list of interstellar objects that have passed through, following Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. At first, 3I, Atlas seemed unremarkable, a comet-like traveler glowing faintly from carbon monoxide emissions as it raced past the inner planets. Amateur astronomers were quick to track it, noting its green streak across the sky. But one night, everything changed. On September 19, at exactly 2 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time, an amateur astronomer in Chile named Leslie Peltier noticed something no one expected. Through his telescope, 9 new points of light suddenly appeared around the glowing trail of Atlas. They weren't noise, they weren't random cosmic rays. They moved in perfect formation, locked step with the main body. Within 2 days, the world's most powerful observatories confirmed it. The James Webb Space Telescope, Hubble, the Very Large Telescope in Chile, and Hawaii's KEK Observatory all captured the same thing. Atlas was not alone. 9 companions had materialized out of nowhere, and spectroscopy revealed a disturbing truth. These weren't ordinary fragments of rock or ice. They had chemical signatures pointing to metals like nickel and cobalt, mixed with exotic alloys that do not occur naturally. Even stranger, each one emitted a steady power output of nearly 20 gigawatts, energy levels comparable to entire metropolitan regions, contained within objects no larger than a city block. To put that into perspective, the largest nuclear plants on Earth barely surpass a single gigawatt. Nothing in known physics should allow such compact reactors to exist. Attempts to model the energy profiles at Caltech and MIT led to crashes and contradictions. Plasma densities, magnetic fields, energy containment, it all defied every equation. For some, the implications were unavoidable. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb suggested this might be the first real evidence of a mothership releasing probes. The 9 objects hadn't peeled off slowly. They appeared instantaneously, in less than a millisecond. One frame they weren't there. The next, they were. Others resisted that conclusion, clinging to natural explanations. Perhaps a violent collision, perhaps a metallic fragment scattering into pieces. But no known collision could create 9 nearly identical companions with such controlled, uniform energy signatures. And all of this was unfolding as something even larger approached. Another interstellar body, Swan R2, a colossal comet more massive and brilliant than any seen in centuries, was on its way. Its orbit placed it uncomfortably close to Atlas's trajectory, creating a cosmic traffic jam near the Sun. Ancient records add another layer of mystery. Babylonian tablets, Chinese dynastic texts, and medieval chronicles all describe strange green celestial visitors appearing roughly every 2,200 years. They wrote of dragons in the sky, of splitting stars, of upheaval marked by glowing banners across the heavens. Swan R2's orbit matches this cycle perfectly. If it has passed before, it means humanity has already lived under its shadow. But what role does it play now? Is it just a natural body, or does it have some connection to the strange behavior of Atlas and its companions? Governments are taking the situation seriously, even if quietly. Leaked memos suggest the Pentagon, the European Space Agency, and China's space program are drafting contingency plans. Interceptor missions, deflection strategies, and reconnaissance platforms are being reconsidered. NASA and private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are being approached for rapid response launches. Yet official statements remain vague. NASA has withheld raw spectral data. The European Space Agency has declined to comment. And the White House has issued only a single, carefully worded line: "We are aware of the situation and monitoring it." That silence fuels speculation. If the evidence is so strong, why not be transparent? Is the risk of panic too great, or is there something far more unsettling being hidden? In the meantime, the objects are visible in the skies. Ordinary people with backyard telescopes are photographing them. Social media is flooded with images and debates. This isn't blurry UFO footage. It's peer-reviewed data from the world's most advanced instruments, showing something truly unprecedented. October is fast approaching, and with it, both Atlas and Swan R2 will swing close to the Sun. What happens then is anyone's guess. The companions might hold their formation. They might scatter. They might shift toward Earth or the Moon. Or they may pass harmlessly by, leaving us only with questions. For now, scientists argue, military planners prepare in silence, and humanity looks upward, caught between awe and fear. Some believe the probes are here to observe, to map, to study us from afar. Others fear they are extracting energy, resources, or something more. A few still cling to the possibility of contact, that these objects represent a chance to prove we are not alone.